I have been making videos ever since I was 12 years old.
Stop blaming the algorithm, stop blaming your tools, and start blaming your creativity.
Yeah, that's me. I made 42 3-minute plus long form videos and 42 short form videos in the last 42 days. That's 2 videos a day. No Sundays off. If I can do this, you can too. Step number 1, ideation. I talk about originality and authenticity a lot. I value them more than anything else because they are the only way to build a brand people want to forget. But Faras, how do you stay original and authentic with your content ideas while making sure they will perform well? Well, you don't come up with original ideas. You come up with original content for the ideas that are proven to work. Ideas are nothing but pain points. If something has worked out repeatedly, it just means that's a burning problem, aka nightmare, your potential audience have. Your job is to share your perspectives, philosophies, and stories in the exact way you would share it with your best friend, without fluffing up with things like consistency is a key or provide more value. If you are in marketing, you don't want to be shallow. You don't need to act like a guru or expert. You need to help them solve their problem originally and authentically. That's it. Now, most advanced people go wrong here by coming up with original ideas. You cannot make up problems. You can only find them and solve originally. That's the way how it works. Now, if you have a perspective, story, or philosophy you want to share with people that is not proven yet, you can share it as a community post on YouTube or your Instagram story, and if it got enough response, you can make a YouTube video about it. The point is, you cannot sacrifice your traffic generation machine for an idea that might be very well suited for nurturing your audience. Let's make things more practical. Step 1, find 10 competitors in your space. Step 2, filter their most popular videos. Step 3, install the vidIQ Chrome extension. This gives an outlier score that help you identify videos that has outperformed other videos by a huge percent. Step 4, write down all the titles, ideas, their respective thumbnail and outlier score inside the idea dashboard. Link in description. Step 5, filter the ideas by the highest outlier score. Pick ideas you have genuine interest to talk about. There you go. You have infinite ideas. Yes, this takes a lot of time, but it's completely worth it. Step number 2, scripting. You come up with ideas based on what's working, but you never ever take inspiration from their script. You must be 100% original here. If not, there's no point in following you. There's no difference between you and ChatGPT apart from you having your face. But like any other creative skills like copywriting or designing, you learn principles from successful people, you iterate them and create your own rules. I share a lot in this channel, but I don't recommend you copying them. Instead, take inspiration and create your own rules. Remember, you quit your job or left that business because you want to create a life with your own rules in the first place. Here are a few mistakes to avoid while scripting your videos. 1. Introducing yourself. I'm sorry to say this, but nobody cares about you. 2. Subscribe or like in the beginning. Nobody wants to subscribe to your channel before they watch the whole video. 3. Fluff away. Again, don't watch anyone. You are not a YouTuber. You are a problem solver. Get straight to the point. 4. Strain the viewers. People on social media want to be entertained alongside learning. This doesn't mean you have to create entertaining content, which people like Naval Ravikant and Alex Hormozy are completely against. You just have to be a good teacher who teaches stuff very well. Step number 4, recording. Good news, you don't need a fancy setup. You need a microphone like the one I have, a softbox, a tripod, and a plain background. That's it. Now, if you have a problem with camera confidence, watch this video. It's all you need to record good videos. Nothing fancy here. Step number 4, editing. People think this is the most important part, but it's the least important part. If you are good at storytelling and articulation, you don't need fancy editing. Check out this video over here where I talk about articulation. It will help you a lot. Here are only 5 edits I do in my videos, and I recommend you the same. 1. perfect cut. Cut all the parts perfectly so your sound flow naturally and won't distract your viewers. 2. Slides. You want to put slides like the one you're watching right now, or your audience will need to strain looking at your face all the time. 3. Text highlight. You might have seen a couple in this video itself. Highlight the most important keywords as it rehooks the audience to focus on your content. 4. Music. Music adds rhythm to your sound, so they are more likely to stick around for longer. Step number 5. CTR optimization. Your video is ready. You just need to click the publish button. What most people don't realize is your entire video performance is limited to the title and the thumbnail of your video. I love when Wing Yang talk about this. If you have 9 out of 10 technical skills but 3 out of 10 communication skills, you're only perceived as 3 out of 10. Because you're only as good as you can communicate. The same goes with your thumbnail and title of the video. People perceive the value of your content based on how good your title and thumbnail are. I received this comment the last day. What is a good CR for long form videos? It largely depends upon the views of the video. If you have got 1 million views, you might have 0.9% CTR. At the same time, if you have less than 1000 views, you might have 2.7 CTR. The CTR you should consider should be between 24 to 48 hours from the upload time, and you should aim for at least 3% as a beginner. It's a low amount, but it's a good place to start with. Every 2 weeks, try to increase it by 0.5% or 1%. Eventually, you will reach your dream place. Your thumbnail should follow the 3-element rule by Paddy Galloway. One can be your face, one can be your headline, one can be an arrow mark, emoji or graphic if you are making talking head videos. Your title should be between 45 to 55 characters. Don't use words like "and." Be straightforward, show the benefit, build curiosity, and make it desirable. You can play around the title you found in the ideation process that works extremely well. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. This was a long one. Like, subscribe, share. Hopefully, I will see you on the next one.